Good morning, children. It is now time for our morning phonics. We are going to start with our speed signs. Remember, my turn, then your turn. When I do this, I want you to say the sound. Ready? A, A, K, D, K, H, I, S, O, N, T, G, P, N, B. Oh, well done. Speedy speed signs. Okay, this morning we are going to be practicing writing some of our letters. Okay, so you need to get some paper and you need to get a pencil, and we are going to be writing 5 sounds this morning. Okay, the first sound that we will be writing is mm. My turn, your turn. Mm. Mm. Okay, and when we write we need to say Maisie, mountain, mountain. I want you to pick up your pencils in the sky, and we're going to write it in the sky. Ready? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Okay, one more time. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Okay, on your paper, I want you to write Maisie, mountain, mountain 5 times, just like me. And you need to say it. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. And the last one, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Okay? When you have finished, we're going to move on to the next letter, and our next letter is going to be A, A, A. A, A, A. And when we write this sound, we say, round the apple, down the leaf. Pick up your pencils, let's write it in the sky. Round the apple, down the leaf. Again, round the apple, down the leaf. Can you write A, A, A 5 times in your book or on your paper? Round the apple, down the leaf. 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 Okay, well done. Okay, next one. Our next letter is going to be S. Okay. Pick up your pen, let's write it in the sky, and we say, slither down the snake. One more time, slither down the snake. Okay, on your paper, I want you to write S 5 times. Let's go. Slither down the snake, slither down the snake. Slither down the snake, slither down the snake, slither down the snake. Good job. Okay, the next one is D, D, D. D, D, D. Okay, write it in the sky, and we say, round his bottom, up his tall neck, and down to his feet. Can you write it 5 times on your paper? Round his bottom, up his tall neck, and down to his feet. Write it 5 times. And the last one, round his bottom, up his tall neck, and down to his feet. Okay, well done. Okay, the last letter we are going to write is pick up our pens, write it in the sky, down the tower, across the tower. Can you write it 5 times on your paper? Down the tower, across the tower. Keep going until you have written it 5 times. Down the tower, across the tower. Well done, children. You have written 5 sounds today, 5 letters. Don't forget to keep practicing with your speed signs. Goodbye.